Hello everyone, I am back after a long wait, and usually if I don't have any good ideas, sometimes I'll just repeat the old ideas and to try to improvise or make them look better, easier for you guys to do. Happy late Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and I hope you like this project. This is about tags. For this project, you'll need this guy. This is a special tool that makes a square and a special design with a little hole on top. Or if you, like me, want to make your own squares, you can get this guy. Hole punchers, this is what they're called. You can get a complete square to make earring tags. I made some of my own. That came out really well. That's what it looks like. But you need a T butterfly, which is this guy. I fell in love with this one. I found mine off of Amazon, but you have to pay shipping. That's the only downside. And this is what it looks like. You get this nice guy. I also have this one for a very long time. I kept mine in good condition, hardly ever used, until I needed some earrings. And then you'll need, this hole punch has lasted me over 5 years. I had this down for about 5 years. And it's starting to stick a little bit, but it's still in good condition. So what you want to do, put the earring holes on the bottom, this on top, middle. And I also got this little guy. I couldn't find this keychain holder tag. I found mine off of eBay. My dad helped me buy it, and this is what it looks like. And this is what we're making. I made some of my own keychain holders today. So today we're gonna talk about all about tags, and if you want to edge off the corners, you can use this guy to get this shape, or that shape. So this is what we'll need. You'll need some tag templates. I found mine for free off of Pinterest. These are some of the original designs that they use. These are all nice looking, so any one of them. Here's some of the more complicated ones. And, yeah. This is done on a Cricut. If you have a Cricut, you can do this one on a Cricut. Me, I want to take a shortcut, and I know many of you guys don't have one, and if you do, I don't know how to use a Cricut very well, so I had to research it, which is the simplest and easiest way to save time and money. Or you can make this one, or this one, or you can use this. Or today, you can use even this tag. Simply just cut around it and trace, and then punch a hole. Logo. Today, I'm going to be using some cardstock. This is strong paper for tags. I'm using this bright yellow. And here we go. First thing you want to do, let me get a pencil. Here's one. And you want to cut out your template. So let's try. Actually, you may not have to use a pencil. If you want to have your own design, I'll show you what to do. Take your hole punch, put it inside the paper, and punch. There you have it. Now, there's two things you can do for this hole punch. One, you can put a T-edger. I'll show you how to use this. All you gotta do right there, slip. Let's see if it works. Yeah, just barely. And then go like this. Oh wait, we need our swab. This is the guide to make that little hole, and this is the one to make the earrings. Go, put it the correct way. You pay attention. There's one hole. another hole. There you go. Now you can hang it up and put your earrings in, put a little sticker on the front, whatever you want on the back, made in where you're from, made in USA, things like that. But for this, I could have centered it a little bit over, so that's one style. Now, to make the other one, move this stuff. Take your other hole punch, take this one, turn it, stick it in the paper all as far as it will go, punch, and here's your earring tag. Might be a little bit wet. Once more, take this guy, see if I can center it. Sometimes things are harder to do on camera than it is in the real life. Trying to center it. There we go. And all you need to do, oops, I made a mistake. Let's try that again. I'm sorry. You'll have an entertainment fun with me this morning. Let's hang out and let's see if I can grab the right one this time. You don't succeed, try again. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, make sure I grab the right one. That's the right one. Alright. There we go. You just kind of eyeball it. There it goes. That was the right one. And this was my mistake. We all make mistakes. The second time usually comes out better. This is our earring tag. Now this one could have gone over a little bit. But then you get the idea to make these tags like this. Now you have a good looking earring tag. Now to make this one, let me see. All you do is take your card sheet. Let's move the trash over. And let's see. Take it. Punch it. If you already have one of these lined up, you can go like this. Alright, then there you have it. But mine's off center, so I'm going to put it correctly to the right center. Something like that. I don't know, you can get better with practice. So just make yours better looking than mine. Anyway, good laugh this morning. Anyway, this is how it is. You put it in the center and then you cut. Mine's a little bit crooked, but it's okay. This is for demonstration purposes. And there you have it. So, let me see. Here's the template. And want to make any of these tags? I found mine off of Pinterest. All you gotta do is just search earring tags and it'll come up on your computer. There's this one. There are these. And then there's this one. Let's see if we can make one more. I'm having too much fun with this, to be honest. Alright, let's cut around here. All you gotta do is just cut. Who doesn't like saving money when you make a project? Alright, let's move this out of the way. Take your scrap. Let's see if it will work. Alright, it might work. So let's put it over. Take your pen or pencil. Trace it around. Do the best you can. Now all you gotta do is just cut it. Luckily this is just scrap paper. Alright, let's see if we can pull that up. Maybe. Mine's not perfect, but first time doing it. Alright, now let's see if we can make a tag. Now what you want to do is, where's that little, oh right here. Take your little guy. Center as best you can. There we go. Now it looks like it. And if you want to put some earrings on it, you can go like this. And there you have it. Your very own tag. You can do two ways. You can either use a hole punch, but I want mine to stand out a little bit more. And then you can put your tag like this. That's pretty neat. This guy is pretty powerful because it makes it's called a T butterfly. And these are earring tag punch. And these are for earrings. All you need is some cardstock, maybe some scissors and a pen, and your hole punches. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I know I had a lot of fun. Even though mine didn't come out as neat as I like it to be, but the more you practice, if you try, and keep trying, eventually you'll get it right. And that way you'll know if you did a good job or not. Let me know if I did a good job today in the tutorial by giving me a like. And don't forget to subscribe, it's free. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And I will talk to you all in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next one. I do apologize that these videos are coming later. Sometimes it takes me a long time to figure out what type of fun project we could have a good time together to make. So, talk to y'all later. Goodbye, everybody.